have already covered the basics of SketchUp on iPad, and today I am going to show you how to create this chair using all these tools. Hello everyone, my name is Shelly Rajput. Welcome to Design Algorithm. Let's begin today's video. I am going to start with a rectangle. Choose the axis, click and drag and give value 1 feet 6, 1 feet 6. I will create some guidelines using tape measure tool, 1.5 and 1.5. Line from this intersection till here, same to this side, erasing extra. 2-point arc, you can specify sides, erasing extra. Offset tool, 1.5, line, erasing extra. Take the selection tool and double tap to select the whole geometry and click on the group button to group it. Now creating a rectangle. Select it and create a copy by going into the move tool and choosing this plus button to go into the copy mode, making a copy and keeping it aside. We will use it to create the arm and backrest. Again choosing this one, arm tool. Push pull, triple tap and group. Deselect everything. Now for the armrest and backrest, we are using this rectangle. Erase the extra one. Now this is according to the design, this is too big. I'm going to reduce the size by creating a line almost over here and removing the extra geometry. Taking the offset tool, 1.5, push pull, 1. Take the selection tool, triple tap and group. Deselect, double tap to go into the group or go into the edit mode. Push pull, 1. Now we are going to make a mirror image of this. Choose the flip tool and go into the copy mode. Flip plus copy. Choose the axis and put it at the midpoint of the seat. And we have to move it a little bit. Along the green axis we are going to move it. Deselect, move the armrest. Now move the seat. You can apply material. You can choose the style.